Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing. Today we're going to open up the Pixel 4a from Google, and we're going to see what this new mid-range phone is all about here. We looked at the Pixel 3a last year, and I was very pleased with that. Now, before we unbox this, I do want to let you know, in the interest of full disclosure, that this came in free of charge from Google. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. Nobody is paying for this unboxing, nor is anyone reviewing it or approving it before it gets uploaded. All right, so let's get into the box here and see what we got. So this is the phone. I think it's coming in a couple different colors, and this is the black version, and it looks very, very nice. It feels a lot thinner than the old one did, so that is good. Camera bump here on the back. It's a single lens camera, so you don't have a telephoto or a wide angle lens. Got a flash there, bit of a bump on there, as you can see. And then we've got the fingerprint sensor. It feels a lot lighter than the old one, and let me power it up real quick. And while that is powering up, we can take a quick look at the specs on the new phone. This has got a 5.8-inch display. It's an OLED display. And I think the phone feels smaller than last year's version, but the screen is a little bigger. And I think that's because they got rid of the bezels, and they've got a little punch out there for the front camera. The processor on this one is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730. They've got a good amount of RAM on here, 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. I think that's a really good value for the price point, which I believe comes in at around $349. So let that boot up. Nice display, really, really nice. So very, very nice. Okay, so let's take a look and see what else is in the box here. We have some manuals, or at least the little startup guide here. Gives you all the basics. You got a SIM popper. We have the charger here, and this is a USB Type-C charger. And I believe this is a fast charger. It'll go 9 volts at 2 amps, so you could charge up a little bit quicker. Got our USB Type-C cable here, and we've got a USB-A to USB-C adapter in there as well. All right. Well, what I'm going to do now is get the phone set up. Again, I'm very pleased with the build quality, very lightweight. Definitely feels more modern than the last one for sure. We're going to get this thing set up and booted up, and then I'm going to have a full review on my main channel at lon.tv, where we'll step through everything. We'll take a look at the camera, we'll look at its performance, and see how it does as a everyday use phone. So that's going to do it for now. We'll be back again soon. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Tom Albrecht, Chris Allegretta, David Hockman, Brian Parker, Mike Patterson, and Bill Pomerantz. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.